Got a Phoebe Bridgers lesson for you from her new album Punisher. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Kyoto. So if this lesson helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I'm definitely going to be doing more songs from this album. Enjoy! The first part of this song is made up of two chords, the first of which is a B major chord. So you're going to bar the second fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the fourth fret with your ring finger. Next is an E major chord, so you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, your ring finger on the second fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the next part is made up of 6 chords, a couple of which we already learned. So the first chord is a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the fourth fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Next is an E major chord, which we already learned. Then a B major chord, which we also learned already. Then a F sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the second fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. And then the last 2 chords are a G sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. And then a D sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And then really quick, the last part that you need to know is just the chord progression that the song ends on. It's just the last part of the chorus. It sounds like this. And that's it for Kyoto. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and subscribe because I have more songs from this album coming up. Thanks.